Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the foundation is solid. Update Chrome OS via Settings About, then open Settings Appearance and choose Dark as the device theme. Once done, sign out or restart apps so they pick up the new theme. Some web pages and Android apps need a relaunch. If you use multiple profiles, repeat these steps per profile. This first action changes Chrome UI, shelf, and system dialogues, so you can see immediate results while we move on to web and app darkening next. Next, you'll force dark styling where the system theme doesn't reach. Open the Flags page, search Auto Dark Mode for web contents, enable it, and relaunch. This inverts or restyles many websites. Note results vary by site. Also, go into each Android app settings or Android app info and set theme to dark or system default so apps follow Chrome OS. Finally, add a dark mode extension for stubborn sites. Make sure you grant only necessary permissions and keep extensions updated so rendering stays stable. Finish by optimizing comfort and recovery steps. Set a dark schedule in settings so dark mode flips automatically at night and tweak contrast or nightlight for eye comfort. Make sure any pinned apps or PWAs are relaunched so their icons and UI match. If pages look broken, reset the experimental flag you changed, update Chrome OS, or clear browser cache and restart. That fixes most conflicts. If an extension causes visual glitches, disable it temporarily. This single troubleshooting tip will resolve the majority of display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.